Hi guys, this is your friend Hassan Ghaffar. Our turbine rotor installations is start, and step by step I will inform to you. Actually, we engaged here two cranes. This crane is a 800-ton crane. This is a carval crane, and this one is a 160-ton mobile crane for supporting. You know, it's a critical lifting. Our assembling work is done, and also mechanical torquing inspections also done by the client. Now we are ready to install the rotor into the generator. You know guys, this one is a generator, turbine generator, and behind the generator there is a nacelle. Yes, Mr. Zahid is with me. He's a technical team lead mechanical. So Mr. Zahid, what do you think, and what time it will be complete, this installation?
So it's a very critical installation.
Yeah, it's also
because we also take care of each and everything as a wind speed. So we measure the wind speed. So it should not be exceed more than 7 or 8.
Okay.
So as we checked, wind speed is normal, and so these all if we collect all the weight, it is 103.
So it's a bottom line.
Yeah, this is the bottom section of the rotor, which will completely incline to the when it reaches to the top at the generator, it will meshed with the generator, and you can see that these holes are the bolt holes, which will be combined to the generator, and it will be fixed there.
These are our riggers, and there is a tagline which is attached to the wind blade.
These type of rope we use for the guide rope, as a guide rope. So if it's in balancing, so manually we can balance it.
It's slowly our rotor is going to up. Mr. Zaid, how this rotor will incline and how it will be attached, or how it will be installed into the generator? So could you explain it?
Yes, Mr. Hassan, good question. So we have installed this is the lifting tool, between two blades. So we have 3 blades. We have balanced lifting tool is balanced between 2 blades. So when it is lifting up slowly, so it will be directly inclined because weight is divided. You can see the 2 blades are going up, and you can see we have attached one small auxiliary crane to there for the support, as a supportive crane. It will only help to not blade not strike to the ground. So when it will be inclined directly, when it will be properly inclined, we will remove the supportive crane, and it will be directly the weight will be balanced, and it will be in inclined position to fix the generator. So this is the process of lifting rotor.
Yes, it's slowly turbine is going to incline. So it's going to incline conditions and adjust the location of the rotors. Yes, Mr. Omer, what do you say regarding for this installation?
The installation is good.
Yes, it's a good, and also it's a critical lifting is going on. And what is when it will be attached once installed? So what will be a PSI of the trucking?
It will be 4,750 because the bolt size is 65. So we use the MXT5 for the torquing. If we use the MXT3, so it may be close to 9,000 to 8,500 PSI.
500 PSI. It's a very beautiful shape. It's like a star. We can say this is a star?
Yes. In the easy language.
In the easy language, yes. This is a star. Machineries. Our rotor is reached mid tower. Yes, now it's slowly, but you know, it's a very critical lifting, and we have to finish this project with 0 incident and 0 accident. All we apply the safety measures, and our team is also very authorized, also certified. It's a very beautiful look, but as we know, in the erection of wind turbines, there is a very technical and tough job. Installation of star, installation of rotor, it's a very tough and technical job. Mr. Zaid, could you please tell me how we remove this support of the auxiliary crane?
Okay. When we will judge by ourselves. Okay. When it will go up, so and we will check here. This blade is not striking to the ground.
Okay.
So when it will be in a direct straight position, so automatically we have bind it like this. When it will be directly in a straight position,
yes,
so this rope of the auxiliary crane automatically
removed,
goes down. Yes, it's an automatic process. We can say that when it's straight position, it will be removed by automatically. Not we will remove in manual way. So you can check when it will be in a straight position, it will be removed.
So it's near to generator. Rotor is near to generator, and yes, now its lifting belt is removing, I think, from the wind blade.
Yes, Mr. Hassan, I already told you that when it will in a straight position,
yes,
it will be automatically removed, and you can see the process. So we are we are releasing the hook, and it will automatically goes down.
Yes, its process is going on. Okay. Look.
So now you can check. Now
yes,
you can check.
Yes,
it
yes,
will
yes.
Automatically goes down when blade is in a straight position, and rotor is also near to the generator.
Yes, it's removing slowly. It's removing. Yes, it's removed. Its turbine is a Goldwind. Lot of companies in the world, manufacturing companies, but according to myself, Goldwind is a good, because they provide too much facilities to owners. And as you know, Mr. Said, there's a lot of companies in the world, manufacturing companies, Siemens, Vestas, and GE, also Goldwind. What Goldwind give us benefits? It's a very, it's a very famous in the world now, Goldwind.
Yes.
What's the reason?
Yeah.
They give us a maintenance?
Yes. No. We have a lot of things in Goldwind turbines. As we compare with the Siemens Gamesa, you can check. Already we have checked, and you can imagine that the UAE, it's UAE first wind project, and
yes,
they have selected the Goldwind. Why not Siemens Gamesa? Why not Vestas? Why not GE? So I can tell you that the efficiency of the Goldwind turbine is more than much better than the Siemens Gamesa and GE, and the major difference as compared to Goldwind to the Siemens Gamesa is that Siemens Gamesa use a gearbox, which
yes,
creates too much problem.
Yes.
But this is a gearless turbine.
Yes,
Goldwind
that's why it's a very
turbine.
easy for us.
And more efficient.
Yes.
As we have checked before in Pakistan, we have erected too much Goldwind turbines, but never we have seen the major defects in the Goldwind turbine. So this is the because of this is gearless and more efficient than other turbines. And if you talk about its efficiency, it's around 98-99% efficient. And if you talk about the GE and other turbine,
yes,
these are good, but not more than efficient than the Goldwind turbine.
Yes, Goldwind is a good, but and other companies also are good, but it's our personal opinions regarding for the Goldwind.